Welcome back to Motor Trends. Today we've got something truly exciting, a deep dive into the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, one of the most luxurious long-haul living trucks you'll ever see. And because versatility matters, we'll also compare how the Chevrolet Equinox and the all-electric Equinox EV stack up as perfect companions to a rolling luxury lifestyle. If you love the future of trucks, RVs, and electric mobility, hit that subscribe button. Let's get rolling. The Kenworth T2000 has always been known as a workhorse for long-distance hauls. But for 2026, Kenworth is reimagining this beast, transforming it into a luxury motorhome designed for truckers, travelers, and adventurers who want the comfort of a premium RV, but with the muscle of a Class 8 semi. Think about it. Instead of towing a trailer, you're driving the trailer. Instead of cramping into a standard RV, you're stepping into a hotel on wheels, powered by Kenworth's engineering excellence. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome features a sleek aerodynamic cab, high-polished chrome, LED lighting, and modernized body panels. It retains its big rig DNA, but with a futuristic edge. Buyers will be able to spec custom paint, multi-tone finishes, and even panoramic glass panels. Underneath, you've got multiple powertrain options: a traditional 15-liter diesel with up to 600 horsepower, a hybrid diesel-electric system for improved fuel economy, and Kenworth's first steps toward a hydrogen fuel cell variant for coast-to-coast clean travel. This isn't just about size, it's about smart power. With regenerative braking, idle-free climate control, and long-range tanks, this truck isn't just built to move, it's built to live in. Step inside, and the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome redefines what "on the road" means. The cabin blends aviation-grade ergonomics with luxury apartment living. Highlights include a full king-size bed with memory foam, a smart kitchenette with induction cooktop, convection oven, and built-in fridge, a rain shower bathroom with heated floors, and a multimedia lounge featuring an 85-inch OLED display and Dolby Atmos sound system. There's also integrated satellite connectivity for streaming, navigation, and even remote work. You could literally live in this full-time, and many owners will. Whether you're an entertainer, an over-the-road hauler, or someone chasing the American highways, the T2000 turns every journey into first-class travel. Kenworth didn't stop at luxury. The 2026 model integrates autonomous assist features, like lane keep, adaptive cruise, and a semi-autonomous highway pilot system. That means on long stretches, the truck can manage speed and lane control while the driver stays alert but relaxed. Smart energy management allows the motorhome to run fully off-grid, thanks to roof-mounted solar panels, a 200-kilowatt battery pack, and an intelligent energy hub that balances diesel, hydrogen, or electric inputs. In short, you're looking at a truck that's part mansion, part power plant, and part self-driving luxury suite. But here's the real twist. A motorhome like this shines when paired with a smaller, versatile crossover. Enter the Chevrolet Equinox and Equinox EV. These vehicles complement the T2000 perfectly for day-to-day mobility. Imagine this. You park your Kenworth at a scenic campground or truck stop. Instead of unhooking and maneuvering a massive rig everywhere, you simply hop into your Equinox SUV or the all-electric Equinox EV for local trips. Grocery runs, sightseeing, urban commutes, covered. The gas-powered Equinox remains a reliable compact SUV. For 2026, Chevrolet has refined its design with sharper lines, updated safety tech, and improved fuel efficiency. The Turbo 4 engine balances economy and performance, making it an ideal daily driver. Now, the star of Chevrolet's future lineup, the Equinox EV. Riding on GM's Ultium platform, it delivers up to 320 miles of range, fast charging that can add 70 miles in 10 minutes, a digital cockpit with Google built-in services, and advanced safety systems like Super Cruise for hands-free highway driving. Best of all, it's priced to be one of the most accessible EV crossovers in America. When you combine a luxury motorhome base like the Kenworth with an affordable, efficient EV like the Equinox, you get the perfect balance of long-haul comfort and short-trip sustainability. The Kenworth T2000 Motorhome isn't for everyone, it's for people who dream big. Long-haul drivers who want retirement on the road, touring professionals who need a mobile base of operations, families who see the U.S. highway system as their neighborhood. And with an Equinox or Equinox EV as the perfect sidekick, you're not just living, you're thriving. Pricing hasn't been officially released, but industry insiders expect the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome to start around $450,000, with premium builds crossing the $700,000 mark. That places it in direct competition with luxury Class A RVs, but with the durability and prestige of a Kenworth semi. The Chevrolet Equinox, meanwhile, starts around $28,000, while the Equinox EV is expected to start near $34,000 before incentives, making both attainable companions to the T2000 lifestyle. So, here's the big picture. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome represents freedom, power, and luxury on a scale most RVs can't match. Pair it with a Chevy Equinox or Equinox EV, and you've got a complete travel ecosystem: big rig comfort for the long haul, compact efficiency for daily mobility. Would you live full-time in a truck like this? Or would you stick to traditional RVs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more on the future of cars, trucks, and EVs. Thanks for watching Motor Trends, and we'll see you on the road.